Well, that is the Parliament action furor over the Adani controversy. Now, several digital lending apps are staring at a potential ban. Sources in the IT ministry tell us that 232 betting and loan apps have been banned on the basis of inputs from central government agencies. But the government has assured select fintech companies today that legitimate players will not have to worry. Ashmit joins us now with more details. Ashmit, there is a list that's been put together of the 232 apps. These are apps that are potentially likely to be banned, potentially only because they haven't been taken down yet, or not all of them have been taken down yet, is what we're given to understand. Industry reaching out to the government saying, look, what is this really about? What can you tell us? Why has this action been taken?
Well, after being red flagged by the MHA, the Ministry of Electronics and IT, under powers available to them under Section 69A of the IT Act. These are very clear powers for takedown that MeitY has, in fact, under the IT Act. We understand orders were issued to Google. Takedown orders were issued with respect to, as you pointed out, 232 apps. Of them, particularly relevant are 94 apps, are fintech apps which issue loans, and that has been a cause of concern. Consumer complaints that have been received by various ministries, compiled by the MHA, forwarded to the Ministry of Electronics and IT, has caused concern. Now, we've managed to, in fact, get some insight as far as the contours of that list is concerned, and the problem only seems to be growing in terms of takedown orders affecting the startup ecosystem. Let's not forget that we had already reported that big players such as LazyPay and Kisht are already at the receiving end. In fact, from some of the names that are now emerging on account of some of the data that we've accessed, we also understand that heavyweights, the likes of India Bulls Home Loans, M-Pocket, which has sizable operations, Credit B, Faircent, could also be on the receiving end of these takedown orders by Ministry of Electronics and IT. Now, we understand that these companies, I beg your pardon, have been trying to reach out to various government officials. Not much headway there, but importantly, there is a remedy mechanism. They can reach out. We have to wait and watch whether or not the government responds to these concerns. Back to you.
Ashmit, many thanks for joining us. Of course, this is a developing story, but